Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My brothers and sisters in Islam, I want to make mention of those things that you can do and will avoid you from committing a zina. There are so many things that Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam has taught us on how to avoid committing zina, that can let us avoid committing a zina. So if you know that you have not married till now, please, this lecture is for you. But before I proceed, please subscribe to this channel on YouTube, Arridowy Lectures TV, and also follow us on Instagram at Arridowy Lectures TV _ALTV. Amma ba'd, alhamdulillah wa kafa, wa salatu wa salam ala rasulil Mustafa. The first thing that you can do if you want to avoid committing a zina is that please try to be aware of all parts of your body. Don't be a kind of person that will be going closer to the ladies. Be aware of your eyes, know what you will be using your eyes to see, and also be aware of your mouth, know what you will be using your mouth to do. Be aware of your hand, know what you will be using your hand to touch. Please be aware of all this. If you are kind of person that you know that if you look a girl too much, your body will start rising up. Yes, we have so many people like that they used to feel having sex so many times. So if you know that your body is like that, please be aware of these things. Don't be looking a lady too much. Don't be touching a lady anyhow. Don't be touching a lady anyhow. So please, if you know that you don't want to commit a great zina, a great sin, which is zina, be aware of this. And the second thing that Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam has taught us if you want to avoid committing zina is the hadith, is an hadith reported from Abdullah ibn Mas'ud. He said that Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam called the youth and he started admonishing them that ya ma'ashar shabab, oh you the youths. During the time of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, you have some youth like Abdullah bin Mas'ud, Abdullah bin Umar, Abdullah bin Abbas, and so on. So Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam called all the youths during his time and tell them and admonish them that ya ma'ashar shabab, oh you youths, man istata'a minkum al-ba'a falyatazawwaj. Whosoever have the capacity to marry among you people should please go and marry. You should go and marry. Whosoever have the capacity to marry among you should go and marry. فَإِنَّهُ أَغَضُّ لِلْبَصَرِ, because marrying will be a protection for his eyes. He won't be looking a girl anyhow again when he has married. And aidan wa ahsanu lil farj, and also it will be a guide, it will be a protection for his armpit. So he will be aware of his armpit mostly after he has married. So that is what Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, that whosoever have the capacity among you people should go and marry. وَمَنْ لَمْ يَسْتَطِعْ, but whosoever has realized that he has not have the capacity for marriage, فَعَلَيْهِ بِالصَّوْمِ, he should be fasting. The person should be fasting. فَإِنَّهُ لَهُ وِجَاء, it will be a protection for him also. Someone that is fasting, the fasting will be a guide for him also to go and commit zina. The first one is that he will be feeling hungry. He will be feeling hungry, and someone that is feeling hungry will not have a power to go and to be thinking nonsense, or to be going around meeting the ladies and so on. So that is the first one, that the first that is fasting will make him feel hungry. And the second thing is that it will make him fear Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, that I'm fasting. Whenever you want to commit a zina, he will remember that I'm in fasting, and during the fasting nobody can commit a zina. I hope you benefit from this. Please subscribe to Islamic Lectures TV channel on YouTube. Subscribe to Arridowy Lectures TV channel on YouTube, and also follow us on Instagram at Arridowy Lectures TV. Please like these videos and also share it to your relatives for them also to benefit from it. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.